All right, I'm going to show you how to create a quote form for your business in Excel. Now, there are plenty of videos out there on YouTube that are going to show you how to step-by-step create a quote form for your business. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to speed things up and save you guys a lot of time and show you the fastest way on how you can do this. So open up Excel, go to File, and hit New. In this search bar here, just go ahead and search quote. And it's going to pull up the different types of quote templates that it has for you. Now, if you're specifically looking for a construction proposal or some sort of service-based business quote, you can type that in specifically here to find different types of quotes. In this case, we're just going to select this construction proposal quote here, go ahead and hit create. And that's going to pop up this template for us. And as you can see, there's a lot of different things we can manipulate or change within this, but it gives us kind of a basic outline or format of what we need. We can put our logo here. We'll obviously change. Maybe this is just a typical proposal and this is completely different. We'll just say home demolition. Update our numbers. Obviously nobody really uses fax numbers anymore, so we'll just change this number. And then we can go in and we'll notice that there are some formulas here that are taking the quantity and the unit price and putting a total there, summing everything up at the total down here. And we can kind of zoom out and see this kind of in a better form. Maybe we don't like this color, so we can select this and change the color to maybe like a green or whatever our colors are for our business. Now, the most important thing that you need to know when you're using these templates is you need to make sure that it's going to print properly. So you can do that. You can view how it's going to print by going up to the View ribbon and then hitting Page Layout.
If you've made it this far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you're really feeling up for it.
And we'll zoom out a little bit here. This all fits onto one page, except until we get to the end and we'll notice that it kind of gets cut off. So we might need to manipulate it a little bit in order to get all of this onto one page for our quote. So we'll notice that there are a couple of extra empty lines here. Maybe we'll go in and we'll kind of delete these two, and maybe we'll delete these two as well. And now we can see that the whole quote is just on one page, exactly how we want it. And we can manipulate this and format this how we want. Now, the final check that you can do is you can go up to File, and when you hit Print, you can see exactly how it's going to print out on a sheet of paper. But that's basically all there is to it. Honestly, the easiest step is to just download a template and then manipulate it how you want, formatting it, changing the colors, updating things as you'd like. Rather than just starting from scratch, this is going to save you a lot of time. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button on your way out. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.